For Massachusetts.
Madam President, I have 9 unanimous consent requests for committees to meet during today's session of the Senate. They have the approval of the majority and minority leaders. I ask unanimous consent that these requests be agreed to and that these requests be printed in the record.
Without objection.
Madam President, I request to speak as if in morning business for up to 10 minutes.
Without objection.
Thank you. Madam President, I come to the floor today to discuss the first policy-focused legislation I am introducing as a senator. I believe it will be a win for Massachusetts and a win for the nation. But before I do so, I'd like to comment briefly about another win last night for Massachusetts and for Red Sox Nation everywhere. Behind the mighty bat of Big Papi, the tireless and tough arms of John Lester and John Lackey and Koji Uehara, and the incredible power of the Beard. This unlikely Red Sox team took us from last in the division to first in the world. For many of us in Massachusetts, this wasn't just about baseball, because on Patriots Day, when the Sox play in the morning and New England comes together for a day of celebration, evil visited our city at the Boston Marathon this year. And while this team can't bring back the lives we lost or heal the wounds inflicted, it did what no other team besides the Red Sox can do. It reaffirmed our common bond in Massachusetts, in New England, and with Red Sox Nation fans everywhere. It's often said that baseball is a game of inches, but it is also a game that can span miles, bringing people together across entire communities and cultures, bridging differences and building friendships. That's what Red Sox baseball did for Boston, for Massachusetts, and for New England this year when we needed it the most. The Red Sox gave us the chance to all raise our hands in triumph once again together as one. The Red Sox came back to win in a dozen games that they never gave up on. They fought to the last pitch in every game, showing the resilience that reflected the response of an entire city and region after the Marathon tragedy. And in doing so, they gave us so much more than entertainment. They gave us hope, something to cheer for, and something else to talk about at a time of deep sadness in our region. As the song says, don't worry about a thing, because every little thing's going to be all right. Well, watching the celebrations last night in and around Fenway, and especially on Boylston Street, just a brief distance from the marathon finish, reminds me of how proud I am to represent this great city and the Commonwealth of Massachusetts in the United States Senate. The Sox team that won the World Series in 2004 allowed us to release 86 years of disappointment. This year's team allowed us to cheer again after months of mourning. And for that, we congratulate and thank the 2013 World Series champions, the Boston Red Sox.